coverage. Let's go to next step, which is package. What is package? So as I told you yesterday, we need the format, right? ER, var, or jar. So that is what exactly we are going to do now. That is called packaging. So packaging exactly converts your source code to an executable. So once you feel everything is fine, your compilation, code review, coverage, once you feel everything is done, then the next step would be packaging. So package exactly generates the artifact. Let's see how these artifacts can be generated. So I'm creating another job team, the last job, which is packaging. New item, package, style, okay. Source code, the same story, same old URL, github.com/learndevops/sample Java app. Once that is done, build triggers, build after other projects are built. So I am giving code coverage. This is the project. After code coverage, I want to execute my package activity. And under build step, you have a direct goal for Maven here. Select your Maven, and the goal is simply package. The goal is simply package team. You just need to give just package. That's all. So you don't need to give any extra goal. And this is one of the Maven's predefined goals. So that's all you need to give, package, save it, and run it. So now we are going to see a war file team. Yesterday I showed you pom.xml, right? Inside pom.xml, there is a war file mentioned. We are going to see that now. It takes a minute, team. Let's wait for it to complete. So you can clearly see here the job is completed, team. You clearly know already where the result would be. You should go to workspace folder. Under workspace, you will see a target gets generated after Maven execution. And under target, you can clearly see sample app var is generated. This is what it is, team. This is how you can understand our package has created a var file. So this is step-by-step process to understand continuous integration, compilation, code review, unit test, code coverage, and packaging. Of course, I did everything step by step, and I executed these jobs manually. But the ideal goal is whenever there is a source code change, then all these things should be executed automatically, right? So how to give that? How to see that? Let me go to our source code repository, team. Let me go to the source code repository and I will make a change. Okay, so I am logging in into this. Okay, 1 second, team. It's verification code. I'm making a source code change, team. I'm just editing something here. I'm just making a commit. All you need is just a commit. Now let us observe the build queue and build execution. First compilation job will kick off within 1 minute, because if you remember yesterday, I asked my Jenkins to review source code management tool for every 1 minute. So every 1 minute your Jenkins goes and checks source code management tool. From there you get the responses. Let's see how to do that. See, there you go. Compilation is already in progress. After compilation, automatically code review comes into the picture. Whoever created along with me yesterday, you must also see this behavior team. Of course, you did not create package so far. I'll give you a minute shortly to create package job. For now, you are seeing the result from my screen. The same thing will be happening in your Jenkins as well, because you are also using same URL as me. Is it starting for you as well, team? Is the flow the same for you also? Can anyone respond, please? Perfect. Excuse me. Unit test is in progress. Excuse me. Code coverage is in progress, team. Next, finally, package is going on. Sorry, I'm feeling a bit cold, team. Done. All the jobs are executed, team, automatically. But it is very difficult for us to see in this standpoint, right? Whether it is running correct job or not, whether it is following the flow or not. That is why, team, Jenkins has a beautiful plugin to show us the real flow actually. So for that, I'm going to install a plugin. Observe carefully, everybody here. Go to Manage Jenkins. Go to Plugins. Under Plugins, go to Available section. There is a plugin called Build Pipeline actually. So we are looking for that plugin. So there you go, Build Pipeline plugin. Select it, install without restart. So Build Pipeline is the name of the plugin, team. What are all the plugins you need to install? I clearly mentioned in this file itself. The same txt file, I clearly mentioned you need to install Warnings ng plugin, Covertura, and Build Pipeline. These three plugins are needed to complete all these activities. I clearly mentioned here. Done, completed. Go to dashboard. There is a plus symbol here, right, on your home screen, everybody. Observe there is a plus symbol here. Click on that plus symbol. Build pipeline view. You need to select. Let us say my CI. Something I'm giving here. Say OK. Here you see upstream, downstream configurations. So it clearly shows you upstream jobs and downstream jobs, means parent jobs, child jobs. So what is the first job in the existing jobs? I want to start the flow from compilation job. So once you select compilation job, say OK. It clearly shows you the flow now. There you go. It is clearly showing you the flow: compilation, review, unit test, coverage, package, everything. Now I am making one more source code change. Just I'm making one more commit, that's it team, not anything else. Done, completed. Now let's wait here. This guy starts and after this it keeps on going. So once the job is successful, you will see green color. If the job is in progress, you will see yellow color. If the job is about to run, it shows blue color. If the job is a failure, it shows red color. Different color you will see here. Let's see. See, compilation is running team. That is completed. Now code review will start. There you go. Unit test is going on. Code coverage is in progress. So still code coverage is in progress team. Sorry. Finally, the package should be triggered now. There you go, package is going on. So this is what it is team. This is called build pipeline plugin, by using which you can execute all your continuous integration process. This is how you can see it, right? This is what it is team. This is the story of continuous integration. So I'll give you 2 more minutes. Please complete packaging job and build pipeline plugin installation also.